Hello guys, today I am on a real aeroplane. See, look, there's so many things. Look, see the real aeroplane, and we are in a real one. And look, it got some things, and this one is a table. I got some laptop. It's in my bag and some puppets. And look, what do we have here? Look at me, smileys. And that's not all. The upside has buttons, but I don't know how to use them. But look here, the voice speaker. I'll show you this voice speaker. And now it's not gonna go up yet. Some people need to go to the aeroplane, and it is so cool that I can't believe in my life. When I was baby, first time I went to an airplane, but I didn't remember it now. Second time I'm going to the airplane. That's so cool. Really cool. And that's not all. Look, here's falling down, doesn't matter. And look what I'm wearing. And I still wear another one. I used to wear this. My mom told me to. And the people needs to go to the flight. And I'm going to my grandmother's house because she's very sick. And I will go home after 10 days. So I would like to go to my grandmother. So come on. We will wait for an hour. We will just wait. So my mom is making a video for herself too. And what the hell is they doing? Oh yeah, they're this moment checking my our bags. And look what we have. They were sending pictures. Hey! And that's not all. Look. And you can see. And the sun is almost setting. Look, everyone say cheese.
और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे रखें। रो 1 और आपातकालीन निकास वाले रो में बैठे यात्री अपने बैग्स ओवरहेड बिन्स में ही रखें।
Do you like that? It was so cool. Well, we're waiting, and I'm making a video to make you subscribe to my videos. And that was so cool. And you know what? Today I am going to see the airplane flying. That's really cool. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye! I'll show you how the airplane goes up in the next video. Bye! Bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!